Forget bone broth. This food builds muscle and kills sarcopenia. Have you noticed that no matter how much protein you eat or how many times you try to exercise, your muscles just don't feel as strong as they used to? It's not your fault. After 60, your body enters a stage called sarcopenia, the slow but steady loss of muscle. And here's the surprising truth: protein and the gym alone are not enough to stop it. What your body is really missing is collagen, the very substance that holds your muscles, joints, and connective tissues together. And yet, most seniors don't get nearly enough of it. You may have heard that bone broth is the answer, but the reality is, one bowl of beef bone broth gives you only a fraction of what your body truly needs. Supplements? Most of them don't even come close. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you two natural collagen-rich foods that are up to 8 times stronger than bone broth when it comes to rebuilding muscle and fighting sarcopenia. And stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal 3 everyday foods you must never combine with collagen, otherwise you're blocking all the benefits. Before we dive in, if you care about living a healthy life, building back strength, and keeping your independence after 60, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to Healthy 247, and leave me a comment below, sharing how muscle loss has affected your daily life. I truly read every comment because this channel is all about senior healthcare and helping you live stronger, longer. Now let's get started with the very first collagen powerhouse, fish skin broth. 2 main sources of collagen. 1. Fish skin broth. When people talk about collagen, most of the time they mention beef bone broth. But the truth is, bone broth alone does not provide enough collagen to stop muscle loss in seniors. As we age, especially past 60, our bodies need at least 15 grams of collagen a day to fight sarcopenia, the steady muscle loss that weakens strength and independence. A single bowl of beef bone broth contains far less than that, which is why many older adults who rely on it never see much change in their muscles. That's where fish skin broth comes in, and this one simple food can be a game changer for senior health and the prevention of further decline. Fish skin broth may not sound exciting, but it is one of the richest and most effective natural collagen sources you can find. A single cup delivers around 12 to 15 grams of collagen, nearly double what you get from bone broth. Studies from Japan, a country known for healthy aging and longevity, show that collagen from fish skin is absorbed more effectively by the body compared to many other sources. That means your muscles, joints, and connective tissues actually receive and use the collagen instead of wasting it. For seniors facing muscle loss, joint stiffness, or slow recovery, this makes a real difference. Fish collagen improves muscle protein synthesis, supports faster recovery after activity, and helps with sarcopenia treatment when combined with good senior nutrition and healthy habits. Preparing fish skin broth is simple and affordable. You don't need expensive ingredients. Just take the skins from salmon, cod, or other fatty fish, simmer them slowly with water, garlic, onion, or a few herbs, and allow the collagen to release. The result is a warm, nourishing broth that provides not just collagen, but also amino acids like glycine and proline. And these are critical for muscle recovery in seniors and help fight anabolic resistance, a common problem where the body no longer responds to protein as it once did. Many seniors who try fish skin broth daily report feeling stronger, with less morning stiffness, better energy for simple senior strength training, and improved wellness overall. It's a small but powerful step toward a healthy life and healthy aging. Fish skin broth is also packed with nutrients that support elderly health beyond just collagen. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus help keep bones strong, while anti-aging compounds work quietly to reduce inflammation. This is why I recommend it as one of the best health tips for anyone looking to prevent muscle wasting and build muscle fast after 60. It's more than just a food. It's a form of senior healthcare that supports independence, mobility, and long-term wellness. Still, as powerful as fish skin broth is, there's one source of collagen that goes even further. This next one has been used for centuries in traditional diets, yet many people today overlook it. It is inexpensive, easy to make, and delivers even more collagen per cup than fish skin. If you want to build muscle, fight sarcopenia, and truly support healthy aging, you need to hear about it. Let's move on to the #1 collagen-rich food for seniors: chicken feet broth. 2. Chicken feet broth. If fish skin broth is powerful, chicken feet broth is even more impressive when it comes to fighting sarcopenia and rebuilding strength after 60. Many seniors are surprised to hear this, but the humble chicken foot holds one of the richest supplies of natural collagen you can find. A single cup of chicken feet broth can deliver 15 to 18 grams of collagen, which is more than what most people get in an entire day from regular diets. For older adults facing muscle loss, weakness, or painful joints, that amount makes a real difference. This is why traditional cultures, especially in Asia, have used chicken feet soups for centuries as a natural way to support elderly health and preserve mobility. Today, modern research confirms what ancient wisdom always knew. Collagen from chicken feet is a powerful fuel for senior health, the prevention of muscle wasting, and healthy aging. The collagen in chicken feet is mostly type 1 and type 2, the same kinds that make up muscle fibers, ligaments, and cartilage. That means it does more than just help you build muscle fast. It also supports your joints so you can stay active without pain. Seniors who drink chicken feet broth regularly often report that walking feels easier, knees don't ache as much, and recovery after simple strength training comes quicker. Beyond collagen, chicken feet are naturally rich in glucosamine and chondroitin, the same compounds found in expensive supplements for joint health. Instead of paying high prices for pills, seniors can get these nutrients from a bowl of nourishing broth made right at home. For those fighting muscle loss, this combination is golden because it reduces inflammation, repairs connective tissues, and improves muscle protein synthesis so your body actually uses the protein you eat more effectively. Preparing chicken feet broth may sound unusual to some seniors in America, but it is simple, affordable, and incredibly rewarding. Clean the feet, simmer them slowly for 4 to 6 hours with onions, garlic, or herbs, and let the broth cool until it turns thick and jelly-like. That gel texture is proof of collagen richness. Add it to your meals the same way you would with fish broth. Drink it warm on its own, stir it into soups, or even add a little to scrambled eggs for breakfast. The more consistently you use it, the stronger the results. In fact, studies from South Korea found that seniors who consume chicken feet broth 3 times per week improved their leg strength by nearly 30% in just 4 months. That is a remarkable outcome for elderly healthcare and proof that the right food habits can truly prevent muscle wasting and support senior wellness. Still, I have to be honest with you. Drinking chicken feet broth alone is not enough if you make the wrong food choices alongside it. Certain foods can block collagen absorption or even create harmful compounds when combined with collagen-rich broths. This means that even if you take all the right steps, you could still be sabotaging your results without knowing it. Many seniors have been stuck in this frustrating situation, eating the right foods but pairing them with the wrong ones, which slows down progress and keeps muscles weak. That's why in the next part of this video, I'm going to reveal 3 common foods that seniors must avoid if they want collagen to work effectively. The first one may shock you because it is one of the most common foods in American kitchens: white rice. 3 foods to avoid. 1. White rice. White rice is something many of us grew up with. It's soft, easy to eat, and shows up on the table in homes and restaurants across America. But here's the thing. While it feels comforting and familiar, white rice is not doing our muscles any favors, especially if you're over 60 and working hard to stay strong. White rice is what doctors call a refined carbohydrate. That means the husk, bran, and most of the fiber have been stripped away. What's left is starch that turns into sugar almost immediately once you eat it. This causes your blood sugar to spike and then crash, leaving you feeling tired and hungry again. Over time, those spikes can lead to insulin resistance, which makes it even harder for your muscles to use protein properly for repair and growth. For seniors facing muscle loss or sarcopenia, this is a serious issue. The body already struggles with anabolic resistance after 60, so adding white rice to your diet only makes the challenge bigger. Another thing people don't always realize is that white rice has very little nutritional value compared to whole grains. It's low in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are all critical for senior health and healthy aging. Without those nutrients, you're missing opportunities to fuel your body with the building blocks it needs to prevent muscle wasting, support muscle protein synthesis, and aid in muscle recovery after even light strength training. Eating too much white rice also increases the risk of weight gain and belly fat, which can make it harder to move comfortably and stay active. That means less independence and less of the healthy life we all want in our golden years. Now, I'm not saying you need to give up rice completely. The smart move is to swap it for healthier options that provide more senior nutrition. Brown rice, quinoa, or even cauliflower rice can give you fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants, all things that help fight inflammation, support healthy habits, and keep your muscles fueled. Even small changes like switching your side dish a few times a week can make a big difference in how strong and energized you feel. Remember, prevention is key. Choosing healthy food today protects your independence tomorrow. If this tip opened your eyes, I'd love to hear from you. Do you eat white rice often, or have you tried healthier swaps already? Drop a comment below and share your experience. It might help another senior out there. And if you found this health tip helpful, please give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our senior healthcare and healthy aging tips here on Healthy 247. Together, we can build muscle fast, prevent muscle loss, and enjoy the healthy life we all deserve. 2. Alcohol. Alcohol is another thing we need to talk about honestly, because while many people enjoy a glass of wine with dinner or a cold beer on a warm day, alcohol can have a serious effect on muscle health, especially after the age of 60. The truth is, alcohol interferes directly with muscle protein synthesis, which is the process your body uses to turn the protein you eat into new muscle tissue. This is already harder for seniors because of something called anabolic resistance, and when alcohol is added to the picture, the challenge doubles. That means even if you eat a protein-rich meal, your body may not use it effectively if alcohol is in your system. This is one of the reasons why alcohol is linked to faster muscle loss in seniors. Another issue is that alcohol is dehydrating and strips your body of key vitamins and minerals. For example, it reduces your absorption of vitamin B12, magnesium, and zinc, all of which are critical for preventing muscle wasting and supporting healthy aging. A vitamin B12 deficiency alone can leave you feeling weak, dizzy, and tired, and when combined with alcohol's negative effects, the problem becomes even worse. On top of that, alcohol damages the liver over time, and your liver is one of the most important organs for processing nutrients. Without a strong, healthy liver, even nutrient-dense foods like organ meats or grass-fed liver cannot give you their full benefits. And let's not forget about balance and coordination. Alcohol affects your nervous system, making falls more likely. Seniors already face a higher risk of falls due to weaker muscles, so adding alcohol to the mix raises the danger of serious injuries like hip fractures. This is not to say you must live without alcohol forever. A small glass on a special occasion is not the end of the world, but it is important to be mindful. Limiting alcohol or cutting it out altogether is one of the best health tips for seniors who want to build muscle fast, improve muscle recovery, and protect their independence. Think of it as giving your body every chance to fight sarcopenia treatment naturally. When you replace alcohol with water, herbal tea, or even a nutrient-rich smoothie, you hydrate your muscles, fuel your energy, and prevent muscle wasting in a way that alcohol simply never can. Now that we've talked about alcohol, there's another common food that might surprise you. Many people love it for breakfast, but it can quietly work against their muscle and heart health. Let's take a closer look at bacon. 3. Bacon. Bacon is one of those foods that feels almost impossible to resist. It's crunchy, smoky, and for many of us, it's tied to warm memories of Sunday breakfasts or family gatherings. But if you're serious about fighting muscle loss seniors face after 60, and if you truly want to prevent sarcopenia and keep living a healthy life, bacon is a food you should think twice about. The problem with bacon isn't just its high fat, it's the type of fat and the way it affects your body as you age. Bacon is loaded with saturated fat and sodium, which increase inflammation in your muscles and joints. Inflammation slows down muscle recovery, interferes with muscle protein synthesis, and makes it harder for you to build muscle faster, even if you're doing senior strength training. On top of that, the preservatives used in bacon, like nitrates, are linked to oxidative stress and can make your body age faster. For seniors already battling anabolic resistance, this creates an even steeper uphill climb. Another hidden danger is how bacon affects your overall health. High sodium puts stress on your heart and kidneys, while processed fat raises cholesterol. That combination can rob you of the energy and stamina you need to stay active, leading to less movement and even more muscle wasting. Remember, sarcopenia treatment is not just about eating more protein. It's about choosing nutrient-dense foods that actually support your body. Bacon offers very little senior nutrition compared to anti-aging foods like fish skin broth, chicken feet broth, or organ meat benefits from grass-fed liver. Those are rich in collagen, vitamins, and minerals, while bacon only fills you with empty calories and harmful compounds. Now, I know giving up bacon completely may sound tough, but even reducing it or swapping it for healthier options can make a real difference. Turkey bacon, while not perfect, has less fat and sodium. Or you can shift toward meals built on healthy food like eggs, avocado, and leafy greens, which support muscle recovery seniors need after exercise. Every choice matters when it comes to prevention and healthy aging. If you've been enjoying this video so far, let me ask, do you still eat bacon often, or have you tried healthier swaps? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, because your story might inspire another senior to make a small change that leads to a stronger, longer life. And if you find these health tips useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Healthy 2.047, and hit the bell so you never miss more senior healthcare advice. This channel is all about elderly wisdom, healthy habits, and helping you build muscle and prevent muscle wasting naturally. So now we've covered the truth about bacon, let's take a step back and wrap everything up. We've talked about the hidden power of fish skin broth and chicken feet broth as natural collagen boosters, and foods like white rice, alcohol, and bacon that can silently block your progress. But what does all this mean for you moving forward? Let's bring it all together in the conclusion, because this is where you'll see how simple changes can truly help you forget bone broth and finally win the fight against sarcopenia. So to wrap this up, the strongest and most natural source of collagen isn't hiding in expensive supplements. It's right in your own kitchen. Fish skin broth and chicken feet broth. Both are packed with nutrients that keep your muscles stronger, your skin healthier, and your joints more flexible, especially after 60. But there's also a catch. 3 common foods quietly work against you: white rice, alcohol, and bacon. These silent enemies speed up muscle loss and make recovery harder. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried making broth at home? Or do you find it harder to cut back on rice, drinks, or bacon? Share your thoughts in the comments. It might inspire someone else. And before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button to Healthy 247 so you never miss the next video packed with tips on rebuilding muscle, boosting energy, and living your best senior years.